Just get a pan, butter, bacon. Just coat it. Now cook the bacon for however long you wish. You can make it really crispy, just whatever you like with your bacon, just cook it. Let it sizzle away. Yummy. Chuck in 4 eggs. I'm making 4 wraps, so 1 piece of bacon, 1 egg per wrap. So excellent. If you want to use non-stick, that's fine. Not a non-stick egg, non-stick pan. Go for it. It makes it easier, but I mean it's not good for. Now just flip the crap out of everything. Flip the eggs so we cook both sides. Because I'm putting this in a toaster, we don't want yolk, so we don't need that issue in life. Just get a wrap, barbecue sauce, put some sauce on, chuck the bacon in, then get your egg, put that in. Oh, this is a staple in my house. Just fold it over like that, then flip it up, and there you go. Chuck them in the toaster. And look, it depends on the strength of each toaster, but normally about 2.5 minutes is enough. Well, in this toaster, other toasters just 1.5 minutes might be enough. Look at that. So flaming good. Oh, unreal. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Gimme.